Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher, Miss Sitwat. I hope you all are fine. Now, as you know, nowadays we are learning number names. So let's start. Last week we have learned the spelling of 16, 17 and 18, and today we will learn and write the spelling of 19 and 20. So let's start. The spelling of 19 is N-I-N-E 9 T-E-E-N teen 19. Repeat it. N-I-N-E 9 T-E-E-N teen 19. And the next spelling is 20. The spelling of 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Now you have to learn and write the spelling of 19 and 20 in your rough copies. So take care. Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.